Everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am coming in because White Rose Crafts has just released a super special limited edition Make Mine Monochrome kit. It is a kit entirely designed off the notion of monochrome, which is one of the newest trends in crafting. Everything in the kit matches. It's all black and white. It's really fun, and I'm so excited to share it with you. The first thing I'm going to share with you in the kit is the Petaletics cardstock. It comes in two colors, both black and pearl. Again, monochrome, everything's black and white. There's 3 cards in the kit, and I'm also going to share with you, because it rolled off and got lost in the mess that is outside this camera view, is a thing of Dove glitter glue in silver. So it also goes with the kit. I just forget to show it because I lost it in my view. But I've got 3 cards in this kit, all either black or white, 3 varying shapes, and which is always fun to have a blank card matching envelope. There is a collection of 6x6 paper, and that's actually kind of not true. Some of it's 6x6 paper, some of it's bigger than 6x, some of it's 6.5 by 6.5. But it's 3 different card companies, 3 different crafting companies' papers. It's American Crafts, which is what this smaller size is. And then there is also Kaiser Crafts and Craft Creations UK? Craft Creations UK. Sorry, the brain doesn't always work. But you can see all the papers are in black, white, and varying grays of gray, keeping with the really fun monochrome kit. And some of them are reflective, which I think is really fun. It's definitely going to be enjoyable building projects based on this monochrome color. You get a jelly bean soup shaker card envelope with matching shaker pouch, so you can create your own easy to assemble shaker card. You're going to get some blinged out butterflies from Bella Bling, and they're again the same color, same tones of color. The paper made adhesive spots. It's got hearts and stars. It's really fun. This is a fun addition to the kit. These are Kaiser Crafts 6x4 pocket pages. They're double-sided. They're thick, heavy cardstock, and they kind of can do a whole range or variety of things. I'm looking forward to experimenting with them and finding new ways to create with them. You're also going to get some monochrome paisley brads, which very fun. A pack of Sparkle Blend, or Doodles Paper Playground Sparkle Blends monochrome sequins, and I think it's going to be a really fun addition to highlight and accent your projects with these Sparkle Blend sequins, just because the colors are perfect for the kit, especially even the opal one. There's 2, not 1, but 2 stamp sets in the kit. This Fisker's stamp set and this Tim Holtz stamp set. So what's really fun is you've got a really masculine stamp set and a pretty feminine stamp set, which creates for some really fun variations in projects in this monochrome. You're going to get a Distress Oxide and Hickory Smoke, and I accidentally spread it out onto a page of Yupo. So when I add some water to it, it really blends, which now makes me want to play with Distress Oxide on Yupo and see what happens. But you can see the Hickory Smoke is going to blend in beautifully with this whole kit. You're also going to get an assortment of ribbon. They're all approximately 18 inches in length, so you've got lots of ribbon to play with. I've got this lace ribbon, this sparkly black ribbon, and a printed white and gray ribbon. You're also going to get an assortment of silver charms, which I don't really show very well. This one's a plain. There's all kinds of different views. Again, playing with both masculine and feminine looks, so you can make cards across the spectrum of your needs. That is everything in the kit, except for I forgot to show the Dove Craft Sparkle Glue and silver, but you know it's there. This is a limited edition kit. When it's sold out, it is gone. It is a super special kit. It's not part of the regular subscription kit. It is a one-shot deal, so if you want it, order it now. I promise you it's going to be gone before you know it. Let me know in the comments which of these craft supplies you're most excited to play with, and until then, happy crafting, everybody.